Comrades, we need an economy which works for all Jamaicans and not just a few. We need an economy that lifts everybody up. We want a Jamaica where if you're a youngster in high school, you have a future here and you're not looking to migrate. We want a Jamaica if you're a young professional, you can get a good job and you can buy a house and you can settle here. We have to transform this country. We have to transform it so that we have a Jamaica for all. We are here to tell the government that you can't continue to run from the people. You can't continue to hide from the people. Democracy means you people have a right to be heard. And people want to demonstrate that right. The government must stop hide and postpone local government election. The reasons they gave, not one of them can stand any scrutiny. Give the people the opportunity to make their voices be heard. We're going to be here. We're going to be in other places in the country next week. We will continue in a peaceful way to demonstrate that what they're doing is wrong, that they are derailing the democracy that we have in this country. And the PNP will stand on behalf of the people of Jamaica. One love, comrades, one love.